All right, what's up, YouTube? We out here trying to get some work done, man. I just wanted to make sure that I got some content posted today. Show y'all what we've been doing. I did do a rode today. My motovlog is going to be starting soon. I'm going to go tomorrow. I actually got something I'm going to try to post my phone on here and get my GoPro hooked to it. But I did take the bike out today. Just show y'all the little collection, man. Anyway, we're out here trying to get all this cleaned up, and the grass, it's just been rough. It's been a monster. So now I'm pulling out my SUV that's been basically getting taken over by the damn jungle, and see what happens when you cut grass that's a little bit wet next to your boy. Look at this crazy. What's up? What's up? Look at that, man. It's looking rough, isn't it? Got her crunk and running. Got a new stereo finna install in this mug. I gotta see, it ain't bad on this side, but you can tell it's still been sitting for quite a while, not doing nothing. So we're gonna try to get her sprayed off. So, yeah, I do have a mount that I'm gonna try to pull out this other vehicle, put it on the bike, and then sorry, I'm winded, man. That weed eater, take it out of you real quick. But somebody wants to trade me a truck for a couple of my Ninjas, and I just don't have time for the project, so I figure maybe I can go ahead and keep the running truck. But I'll be starting thinking about driving this thing. So for anybody who watches this nearby, man, I need a good deal on a rack and pinion and power steering hoses. Like a whole new vehicle. All new. But yeah, man. So it's been a real positive day. It's a great ride. Nothing like getting out there and cruising on that bike, man. I went and picked up me and my old lady and my kids something to eat, you know, and got to a couple different places. Rode by and said hello to a few people on the bike, and it was just great, man. I'm gonna try to do it again tomorrow and actually get some footage uploaded. I got some mounts. I'm gonna get it figured out real soon, like within days. And I'm gonna try to upload at least, you know, a good 20, 30, 40-minute ride every day. See where it goes from there, man, and hope that I'll get some good content, get some good conversation sparked up, and get some followers out here watching my channel, and hopefully promote my channel, and maybe one day, which is, you know, the end goal, possibly be sponsored. I'm not trying to make $1 million, man. I like this. It's awesome, man. I love filming shit. kicking it, man. My kid loves YouTube, man. He loves doing stuff with YouTube. And he's been screaming YouTube since he could talk. So, you know, I really want to incorporate and get to where I'm on YouTube to a decent amount where I can hand my channel down or help my son create his channel. And I just think it'll be awesome, man. I really do. You know, I've had a lot of people tell me that I'm pretty good at these vlogs and able to hold the attention of people decent. So I'm just gonna see where I can go with it, man. I'm trying to move forward. We also just got a part in this 4-wheeler. And it's broke down a little bit right now, but we just put the new solenoid on here. I'm fixing to put some power to it, and should have this one running too. So I like to buy them broke down and fix them myself. So that's the best way. So I just really got to start getting it on film. Remembering to grab this camera. But I'm working on it, guys and gals. I'm working on it. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all. I know you don't want to sit here and watch the whole pressure washing deal, so if you're looking for some vlogs tomorrow, some motor vlogs, and thanks for always watching, guys. Love you guys.